Hello, Professor Nasser. Here is my formal symbols of propositional logic video, where I'll be discussing my code for the submitted assignment. So I'll just hop right into it. I initialized P and Q with both true, true. And then I went on to initialize my text string with the user defined, or not, excuse me, a text string with tabs and spaces to output similarly to the output you gave us in the PDF. And I used the curly braces that are used in this format function that's included natively to Python, format string function that allows you to have a string and then insert different variables within the string. Very handy. Here's a conversion function I created, bool to char, very simple. If bool is true, return T. If bool is false, return F. And I think I should run this first. And when I first showed this code to you, I had trues and falses. So that was a change that you helped me see. So thank you for that. Hopefully I don't get docked points. So yeah, here is my function for the logic now. We have columns 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And respectively for each one, P and Q, P or Q, not P or Q, also known as if P then Q. And then column 4, the if and only if, which becomes not P or Q and not Q or P. So in this one function, I guess this should all be together. So it creates, I work through each, I call the function 4 times. It's going to look at what P and Q equals. The first pass through, P and Q are both true. Second pass through, P is true, Q is false. Third pass through, P is false, Q is true. Fourth pass through, they're both false, false. So P is false, and then Q is false. Don't have to redefine P. So yeah, 4 function calls for the function, and it just compares P and Q each time. It does the logic for me, and it then goes into the format function that is included in Python, which is very handy, and it goes through and it inserts each variable that's called. So here it is first calling the bool to char function, char function, where it converts the true or false to a T or F, and it just works its way through for P, for Q, P, Q, and then columns 1, 2, 3, and 4, as I just went over. And yeah, very straightforward. It took a little bit of work just getting the output to look just right, but I think it looks pretty clean. I tried my best to get these to be in the very middle of the column, these T's and F's. If I could fix one thing, it probably would have been having this function call the bool to string or char character function just be used once. I could have maybe put it in a for loop or what have you, or I guess, yeah, I would have to think of some solution to have a workaround for calling it 6 times in this print statement. But I just thought for the time being, with the other workload I have, I'll just leave it, and it outputs, what's desired. So anyhow, that's my take. This is my 4th take now. Try to get it under 5 minutes. I know I said 1 to 2. Hopefully this isn't too long, and hope you have a great week. See you in class.